Hello, future Green Force Surveyor. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of registering for a Surveyor account on the Green Force application. Let's get started. Firstly, open the Green Force application on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head to the App Store or Google Play and get it now. On the Welcome page, click on the Sign Up option. This will initiate your registration process. Provide the necessary information, including your title, full name, date of birth, email ID, mobile number, and profession. Click on the Register icon. Log in using your registered mobile number. Upon login, you'll receive a one-time password. Enter it to proceed to the onboarding registration listing. Navigate through the onboarding steps, starting with Personal Detail. Fill in information like your title, full name, date of birth, email ID, mobile number, profession, and tax ID. Move to the next step. Upload your profile picture to personalize your account. This adds a touch of professionalism to your profile. Click Next to continue. Fill in your address details, including house number, street name, state, city, and zip code. Click Next when done. Enter your education qualifications. This helps enhance your professional credibility. Click Next after providing this information. Now, let's add your certifications. Share details about your relevant certifications. Click Next once you've entered this information. After each section, provide details of your previous experience and skills. This gives potential clients insight into your expertise. Move to the next step. Enter your bank details, including routing number, account number, and bank name. This ensures smooth financial transactions. Click Next. Specify your insurance details. Indicate whether you have insurance coverage by selecting Yes or No. Click Next to proceed. Answer questions regarding your roof documentation capabilities. Choose the appropriate responses, and then proceed by clicking Next. Upload essential documents like your driving license, tax ID, and W-9 form. These documents strengthen your profile. Click Next to continue. After filling in all the required information, accept the terms and conditions. Congratulations! Your registration is now successful. And there you have it. You're now registered as a surveyor on Green Force.